Welcome to the mix, and we have Erica on the mix today as she gives us information on, different man and woman business. Now she goes in details with stuff, so you gotta go and check out the video because Erica is always vibrant and she set the tone. So go ahead and watch the video now and draw your own opinion from this. Thank you.
100 stars, sweetheart. It is true. Uno fi stop go and saw uno yard like una lady and uno hole and uno this behind closed door and for uno close ass door. Yes. Take care of uno man properly. And stop go road go beat a girl for man. Cause if you need a go on good, there is something the other girl have on now do. And every pum pum make same way. Some shallow, some deep. The whole of them have two ugly lip and no pretty pum pum no there. All of them ugly no backside. Yeah. So get one hose, uno use uno shower head in uno bathroom and learn to catch water with no pum pum like how you catch water in your mouth and spit it out. Practice the pum pum muscles them. Practice them for use them. So you can cut down the pum pum to small size. You can open it up to big size. You can turn it round, turn. You have to know how to turn pum pum pan back pan wrong side. And you have to know when to drop down the two side muscles them like two blood clot wisdom teeth. And squeeze up the hood. Make the hood feel like, yes! You don't know if you drop down them two part of muscle there now, you pump pum like wisdom teeth. With the blood clot, you know what me come on for the live here too, you know. Ladies over here, you don't know if you drop down them two side piece of muscles there like a wisdom teeth and squeeze up the something and make the man feel nice, no blood clot. He feel like him a angel, him a fly. Walk on water. Like the monk, them a Tubek. Wanna come here, man? A reasoning evening. Eh? Hey, we don't know if you drop down then the part of muscles they like blood clot, wisdom teeth and squeeze up. See it there? See it there, Janet? No. Janet? You're the on top. Sarge comfy phone. I give Sarge your phone to backside. Live! Oh. Andrea, you mean me no easy. Courtney, anybody ever drop down the two piece of the two piece of muscles them they like wisdom teeth and squeeze you proper? Come here, Courtney. Me did tell you if snug up in front of class right even though me don't know you reach run back. Come back up here, you this evening then in class. I demonstrate. Come, Courtney. Maureen. Good evening, Maureen, sweetheart. Cock up your ears. Don't listen. Don't listen. No man, grip it different. Grip it different. When you grip it, yeah, use the whole muscles and hold it and grippy. When you grip something, you know. Remember when you grip something, I saw you hold and grippy, you know, so the whole of the muscles here hold and grippy, you know. No. And I saw it, you go. You just drop down half eye. The two wisdom teeth and one side here hold and make it, hey. Then time the wood does a beat so like blood clot jump. No, sir, we gripping's different from when you drop it down like wisdom teeth. When you grip it different. Grip here when you put on all like muscles them and hold it. This is when you hold one side. And then you feel, you just feel, then time you feel the wood vein, then just that one, blah, 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 blah. Hey, then time you look on the man here, you know, it a told me like grippy when me dey on top, then drop down the wisdom teeth on him, you know. When you look on the eye, then man, and he face his whole body change. Me I go behave. So true, you're missionary. And that me just over here talk about you wear long frock guy your bed with your husband. You know open up and grip nothing. You fart when I look at me all over hold him. Me fi tell you. You drop down a little piece there, man. And where you later go? Hey, still you know as simple as you see little something and name pump me now. Can do a whole heap of thing. Yeah, man. I true when me they know about video in. Then time there. For video so that video all the one blood clot John got the face when he turn in a one that smarty when time grippings hold him. But no me know video me with video and show no. Can't show no pan here though, I put it on TikTok. Still in them they are not just to do when you go to a road and just see somebody and that's a different something. Then grippings they come between when you're really genuinely like somebody. The body give up to them and the whole thing. Bumbo clat, I'll me only I titi then come like a slippers and then get up, turn up teeth.